Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the phone and removing SIM, SD card and case. This prevents shorts. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and position a light source to inspect the display. Identify lines versus dead pixels or LCD bleed. You then loosen two 6 visible screws and use a suction cup plus plastic pick to lift the front assembly gently. Do not yank. This exposes the display connectors, which are the usual culprit for lines and black spots, so be prepared to check them first. You now open the phone to access display connectors. Use a prop to keep the screen stable because flexing can cause more damage. Once exposed, identify the display, digitizer, and backlight connectors. Disconnect them in order and inspect each contact. Clean contacts carefully with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove corrosion or adhesive residue, and then reseat each cable until it clicks. This often restores signal flow and eliminates lines. If connectors look torn, you finish by installing the replacement screen or reclamping the original cable. Tighten screws evenly and avoid over-tightening. Make sure to power on the device while partially assembled so you can test touch response, backlight uniformity, and color. This saves time versus full reassembly. If lines or black spots remain, swap in another known good display to isolate the issue. If still present, the problem often lies on the logic board, at which point you should consult a professional or consider board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.